In this video, I am going to show you how to refine Google Trends results by category. To refine your Google Trends search results by category, especially for terms with multiple meanings, follow these steps. Go to Google Trends and enter the term you're researching, such as Jaguar. Below the search box, you'll see an option labeled All Categories. Click on this to reveal a drop-down menu of different categories. Choose the category that best matches the context of your search term. For instance, if you're interested in the animal, select a relevant category like animals and pets. If it's the car manufacturer you're researching, look for an automotive-related category. After selecting a category, Google Trends will update the search results to reflect the search interest for your term within the chosen contexts. This helps ensure that the data you're viewing is relevant to the specific meaning of the term you're investigating. Refining your Google Trends is very important by category because it is a useful feature for disambiguating terms with multiple meanings, ensuring that the insights you gather are accurate and relevant to your intended context. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.